Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. We are getting right into the holiday season with this beautiful sweater nail design, one of my all-time favorite nail designs to create during the holidays. It's so easy and so cute, so do not forget to try this on your clients. They will absolutely love it. Now, do not forget to check out the description bar for any of the products you may be interested in purchasing. I do provide links to every single one of the products used in this video, so please check that out. Now, I'm gonna let you guys get right into the video as it is pretty self-explanatory. I will catch you guys in a few. Okay, so I do want to add in this part, once I finish this design, all I'm doing is adding little dots to the edges of the nail. Now we are not going to cure right this instant. So we do not cure. I do like to add texture to that nail. A knitted design is pretty raised, so in order to do this, I take my Speed Clear, and what I like to do is pour some of that onto that wet layer of gel paint. As you can see me doing this right now, I add that. Now I let it sink in a little bit and then just add a tad bit more. Now we are going to cure for a full 60 seconds. Now once it's done, just wipe that off. I'm taking my Not Polish Matte It top coat, the best matte out there. If you guys have tried a lot of them in the market, this is the best one that I have came across, and I will never trade it for anything in the world. Absolutely amazing. So check that out. And this basically wraps up the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and there will be more videos to come.